Welcome to this professional lecture on emotional intelligence in chaplaincy practice, an essential competency for effective spiritual and emotional care. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand, manage, and respond appropriately to emotions in yourself and in others. In chaplaincy practice, emotional intelligence enables professionals to respond with compassion, sensitivity, and sound judgment. Chaplains apply emotional intelligence daily across diverse environments, including hospital, correctional facilities, educational institutions, and community settings. Chaplaincy is not only about knowledge or religious instruction, it is fundamentally about understanding people and responding to their emotional needs. The first component of emotional intelligence is self-awareness, the ability to recognize and understand your own emotions. Self-awareness allows chaplains to recognize emotional responses such as stress, frustration, or compassion during professional interactions. Emotional regulation enables chaplains to remain calm, focused, and supportive during stressful or emotionally demanding situations. Empathy allows chaplains to understand the feelings of others and provide meaningful, emotional, and spiritual support. In the next section, we will examine the core components of emotional intelligence and their application in professional chaplaincy practice. Emotional intelligence in chaplaincy is built upon 5 essential components that guide professional and compassionate behavior. Self-awareness allows chaplains to recognize their own emotional state before responding to others. Recognizing emotional reactions helps chaplains respond with clarity and professionalism. Self-regulation enables chaplains to remain calm and supportive during stressful or high-pressure situations. Motivation drives chaplains to serve consistently, even in emotionally demanding situations. Our presence brings comfort and strength in these moments. Thank you, Chaplain. Empathy allows chaplains to understand the feelings of others and provide meaningful emotional support.
Thank you for listening.
Let's discuss how we can support each other. Social skills help chaplains communicate effectively with teams and families. Clear communication strengthens our teamwork, and with families, we listen with empathy.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Emotional intelligence helps chaplains manage conflict and promote understanding between individuals. Reflection helps chaplains maintain emotional balance and professional resilience. In the next section, we will examine practical ways to apply emotional intelligence in everyday chaplaincy practice. In hospitals, chaplains apply emotional intelligence by actively listening and responding sensitively to patients and families. This practice of empathetic engagement is essential in all institutional settings, including prisons.
He took my spot. You were late. Let's find a solution. I'm really stressed. Let's talk it through.
In schools, chaplains apply emotional intelligence to support students navigating emotional or social challenges. In community settings, chaplains use emotional intelligence to engage respectfully and understand diverse emotional needs. This engagement and empathy strengthen community relationships. Emotional intelligence enables chaplains to collaborate effectively with multidisciplinary teams. In counseling, we focus on conflict resolution to support patients' emotional well-being. Chaplains mediate emotional conflicts, helping families reach understanding through empathy and patience. This is just so difficult for us.
We're just so worried.
I understand. Let's find a way. Regular reflection helps chaplains maintain emotional balance and resilience. Chaplains integrate emotional intelligence into daily practice by adapting their responses to the context and the people they serve. Remember the 5 core components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills, the pillars of effective chaplaincy. In the next segment, we will explore practical case studies, applying emotional intelligence in real chaplaincy situations. Let us begin with a case study demonstrating emotional intelligence in supporting a grieving family.
A family in the hospital receives difficult news and begins experiencing intense emotional distress.
I understand this is a difficult time. I'm here to support you.
The chaplain responds with empathy, listening carefully and acknowledging the family's emotional pain. Through calm communication and emotional support, the chaplain helps the family feel understood and comforted. This case demonstrates how empathy, listening, and emotional support are essential components of emotional intelligence. Let's examine a new case study. Our next case study focuses on managing emotional conflict between family members. I can't believe you're siding with them.
I'm not. I'm trying to keep the peace.
Emotional tension can lead to conflict when individuals struggle to manage stress and grief.
Let's take a moment to breathe and find a calm way forward. Let's listen to each other with calm and respect.
I feel unheard.
I'm listening now. Good. Let's find a resolution together. Effective emotional intelligence helps restore understanding and cooperation between individuals. In a supportive setting, this fosters peace and resolves tensions. This principle applies broadly in education and life. In the final section, we will examine practical strategies for developing emotional intelligence and chaplaincy practice. Emotional intelligence can be developed through intentional training, reflection, consistent practice, and constructive feedback. Professional training programs provide structured opportunities to learn emotional intelligence skills. Reflection helps chaplains evaluate emotional responses and identify areas for improvement.
I get overwhelmed by others' emotions.
That's a common challenge. Let's explore some strategies. Consistent practice strengthens emotional intelligence and improves professional confidence. Thank you. Constructive feedback helps chaplains recognize strengths and improve emotional responses. This fosters professional development and resilience in our field. We also emphasize stress management to maintain well-being. Managing stress effectively helps chaplains maintain emotional balance during demanding situations. Team collaboration provides opportunities to develop communication and emotional awareness. Community engagement helps chaplains understand diverse emotional needs and perspectives. This builds emotional awareness, essential for effective pastoral care. These strategies help chaplains strengthen emotional intelligence and improve professional effectiveness. In the final segment, we will summarize the importance of emotional intelligence in professional chaplaincy practice. We will now summarize the key lessons on emotional intelligence in professional chaplaincy practice. Remember the 5 core components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These components guide us toward practical applications in our daily interactions. Emotional intelligence becomes meaningful when applied consistently in real-life chaplaincy situations. Chaplains carry a professional responsibility to manage emotions carefully while supporting others. Developing emotional intelligence is a continuous learning process throughout a chaplain's career. Effective teamwork depends on emotional intelligence, communication, and mutual respect. Emotional resilience enables chaplains to remain strong and supportive in challenging situations. This inner strength is essential for providing unwavering care. Emotional intelligence enhances professional effectiveness and strengthens compassionate care. Practice emotional intelligence daily to improve relationships, communication, and professional service. Thank you for participating in this professional training session on emotional intelligence in chaplaincy practice. Like, share, and subscribe to Chaplain Prof. Ojits for more professional chaplaincy education.